Every morning, millions of people wake up, rush to work, sit through long meetings, and spend their entire day earning a paycheck. Then they do it all over again tomorrow. But while they're working, someone else is making money from investments, online businesses, digital products, and assets that continue earning 24 hours a day. The difference isn't luck, and it's not about being born rich. It's about building income that doesn't depend on your time. In this video, you'll discover 10 passive income ideas that are helping ordinary people build real wealth in 2026. Number 1 is dividend investing. Dividend investing is one of the oldest and most reliable ways to earn passive income, instead of simply hoping a stock goes up in value. You invest in companies that regularly share a portion of their profits with shareholders. Every quarter, these companies pay dividends directly into your account. Reinvest those payments over time, and compound growth can turn small investments into significant wealth. Number 2 is rental real estate. Rental property has created millionaires for decades. By owning apartments or houses and renting them to tenants, you earn monthly rental income while your property's value may increase over time. Although buying real estate requires more money up front, it's one of the most proven passive income strategies available. Number 3 is real estate investment trusts. Don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy property? That's where REITs come in. Real estate investment trusts let you invest in shopping malls, office buildings, apartments, and hotels through the stock market. They often pay attractive dividends, giving you exposure to real estate without the headaches of managing tenants or repairing properties. Number 4 is YouTube automation. One of the fastest growing passive income opportunities today is YouTube automation. Instead of appearing on camera, creators build channels using AI voiceovers, professional scripts, stock footage, and video editing. Once a video gains traction, it can continue generating ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorship income for months or even years. Number 5 is selling digital products. Digital products are one of the most scalable forms of passive income. Create an ebook, online course, design template, printable planner, or digital toolkit just once, and sell it repeatedly without worrying about inventory or shipping. With the right audience, one product can generate income for years. Number 6 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by recommending products or services you genuinely trust. Every time someone makes a purchase using your unique referral link, you receive a percentage of the sale. Whether it's through a blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email newsletter, affiliate marketing can become a powerful source of recurring income with very little upfront investment. Number 7 is print-on-demand business. Print on demand lets you sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and posters without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, a supplier prints and ships the product for you. This means you can focus on creating great designs while the entire fulfillment process runs automatically. Number 8 is high-yield savings and bonds. If you're looking for a low-risk way to grow your money, high-yield savings accounts and government bonds are worth considering. While the returns may not be as high as stocks or real estate, they provide stability, predictable income, and a safe place to build wealth over time, especially during uncertain economic conditions. Number 9 is build a mobile app or software. You don't have to be a programming expert to profit from software anymore. With today's no-code and AI development tools, it's easier than ever to build useful apps or digital software. Whether it's a budgeting app, fitness tracker, or productivity tool, a successful app can generate recurring subscription revenue or advertising income for years. Number 10 is build an online business. The most valuable passive income asset isn't just one investment, it's building your own online business. Whether it's a website, blog, newsletter, digital brand, or e-commerce store, you're creating an asset that grows in value over time. The more value you provide, the more opportunities you create for advertising, affiliate income, sponsorships, and product sales. At the end, passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating systems that continue working long after you've finished the hard work. The sooner you start, the more time your money and your assets have to grow. Pick one idea from this list, stay consistent, and focus on long-term results instead of quick wins. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical finance and business content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.